I think the biggest takeaway is getting that one-to-one connection with all the individual members that are part of the group. There's valuable resources that you can learn from education to how they do training to how they do billing. So there's key elements here that are very important. They also help with the managed care and the vision vendors to know that you can get resources from frames to lenses. Every year there's compliance features or tools that can be detrimental or helpful to your practice. So when you're with Opti-Port and learning about managed care, it's essential that you can hear another person's perspective. Maybe you were shy, didn't want to ask a question, but you have another individual in the actual room that would have the same scenario going on in their practice. So not only do you have the resources and the people that they bring in to speak, you have each of us individually collaborating, working together.